To troubleshoot Semrush Social Media Toolkit, start by understanding what the toolkit does. It is a set of tools designed to help you manage and analyze your social media presence. The toolkit includes features such as social media tracking, analytics, and posting. Begin by checking your social media profiles to ensure they are correctly connected to Semrush. Make sure all the necessary permissions are granted and that the profiles are not restricted. If you are experiencing issues with data not being tracked, check the tracking settings to ensure that the correct metrics are being monitored. Next, check the toolkit's analytics section to identify any discrepancies in the data. Look for gaps in data or unusual spikes, which can indicate a problem with the tracking code or the way the data is being collected. If you are having trouble with the posting feature, check that the scheduling settings are correct and that the content is formatted properly. Also, ensure that the social media accounts are not suspended or restricted, which can prevent posting. Another common issue is incorrect or incomplete data. To resolve this, check the data sources to ensure that they are accurate and up to date. Also, verify that the metrics being tracked are relevant to your social media goals. Best practices for troubleshooting the Semrush Social Media Toolkit include regularly checking the toolkit for updates and ensuring that all settings are correct. It is also important to monitor the data regularly to catch any issues early. In addition, familiarize yourself with the toolkit's documentation and support resources, which can provide valuable information and guidance on troubleshooting common issues. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot the Semrush Social Media Toolkit and get the most out of its features.